Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create organized document in ClickUp step by step. Whether you're documenting processes, writing meeting notes, building knowledge bases, or simply trying to keep your team aligned in one place, this easy guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get started the right way. First, open your web browser and head over to the ClickUp website. Once you're there, log in using your email and password if you're not already signed in. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your ClickUp dashboard, which is your central workspace where all projects, tasks, and documents live. Make sure you're in the correct workspace, especially if you manage more than one team. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar acts as your navigation hub inside ClickUp. Scroll down and look for the option labeled More. Then click on it to reveal additional tools. From the expanded menu, select Docs. This will take you to the Docs section, which is a centralized space where all your ClickUp documents are stored and organized for easy access and collaboration. Once you're inside the Docs area, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click on the Create Doc button. You'll now have the option to start with a blank document or use a template if you're creating something recurring. At this point, enter a clear and descriptive title for your document, then press Enter to save it. A well-named document makes organization much easier later. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Use headings to structure your content, keep related information on the same page, and share access with relevant team members only. Doing this upfront saves time and keeps everything clean and easy to navigate. Once your document is created, start adding content, embedding tasks, or inviting teammates to collaborate in real time. After that, you should be able to manage and organize information efficiently without jumping between tools. It's also a good idea to group related docs together to keep your workspace tidy and productive. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create organized document pages in ClickUp easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who want better documentation and organization. Why not make someone's day easier?